Making demands of the Doyle administration, asking his office to stop work on several major projects before Walker takes office January 3rd. The night team's Maria Guerrero has more on one of the most controversial requests.
We're not picking a fight. We're making a very legitimate request.
Governor-elect Scott Walker is trying to make good on a campaign promise. In a letter to the Department of Administration, he is urging Governor Doyle to temporarily freeze any new implementation of the federal health care law, including the establishment of exchanges, until after January 3rd. Exchanges are organized marketplaces where more people can choose affordable health coverage.
They withhold from additional actions that would handcuff the next governor and legislature.
The DOA responds to Walker, quote, "Obviously you have not had the opportunity to be briefed on these items," end quote, adding the health care exchanges would require legislation and wouldn't go into effect until 2013 at the earliest.
So he's jumping the gun on some of these issues, and all you can imagine is that this is really more political hyperbole than any real practical effect.
Federal health care reform advocates like Bobby Peterson of ABC for Health sees a real misinterpretation of what Wisconsinites voted for.
I think he's exaggerating a little bit of the impact of the election.
Peterson points to changes already in place, eliminating pre-existing condition exclusions for children, allowing residents with pre-existing conditions to get health insurance through high-risk pools.
And these are real positive aspects to the law that are improving people's access to health care coverage. Cutting that off would be devastating to some people.
Peterson says none of the programs in place right now would automatically be affected because of Walker's request. As an example, Eric, Peterson says if you are 25 and you are now on your parents' health care coverage, as that is now permissible, you will not lose that coverage because of this letter, as it is part of both a federal and a state law right here in Wisconsin.
The night team's Maria Guerrero reporting tonight. Maria, thank you very much.